finally, a new attraction on the Las Vegas Strip for 2022. ARCADIA-EARTH just opened at the end of January, and from what I hear, it's a fully immersive, augmented reality journey through the planet Earth that spans 15 rooms. Sounds like a lot of walking to me. Stick to the end because I'll cover what the admission fees are for ARCADIA-EARTH. And if you're new to my channel, please think about clicking on that subscribe button down below. Now let's head to the Las Vegas Strip and check out ARCADIA-EARTH. Here's my ticket.
Use our AR technology to scan all the triggers you'll find throughout the exhibit to unlock hidden surprises.
ARCADIA-EARTH is located just south of the M&M store and the Coca-Cola Store. Now, if you're driving here, you're going to want to go up Las Vegas Boulevard, past the Coca-Cola Store, and look for the Ross Dress for Less. Below that is the showcase parking. Now, I don't know how much it costs.
I'm Geneva. I'm the supervisor here at ARCADIA-EARTH. The reason I suggest to everybody about downloading the app is for the augmented reality portion. It's something really cool that you won't see on the strip.
So you can purchase your tickets here, but they recommend that you buy them online.
So first off, guys, welcome to ARCADIA-EARTH. Here at ARCADIA-EARTH, a part of the experience with the augmented reality portion, you will need to download the ARCADIA-EARTH AR Las Vegas app. To do so, you guys can connect to the Wi-Fi. Here's the Wi-Fi name as well as the password. If you have Apple, go ahead and scan here. If you have Android, go ahead and scan here. It'll bring you up straight to the app. If you have an issue downloading the ARCADIA-EARTH AR Las Vegas app, we also have iPads downstairs which you could check out, which already has it set up for you.
Apparently Ted's phone doesn't work, so he gets to use an Apple product. This is the retail space.
Press the blue button and it'll walk you through a tutorial on how to use the app in our exhibit.
Okay, so these are the booths. You just have to press the blue button over here.
Welcome to Arcadia. Arcadia was created to inspire, educate, and activate the community to help save the future of our planet. Are you ready? Before you start exploring, let us explain how to use our app. First, add your email. Make sure to write your email correctly. You'll need it to get all of the photos and videos you take at the exhibit. Use our AR technology to scan all the triggers you'll find throughout the exhibit to unlock hidden surprises. Please note that this feature can only be used if you download the app. Press once to take a photo, keep press to record. Save or send your videos and photos to your email. As you walk through the exhibit, scan all symbols that look like these. You can find them on the floor or on the walls. Once you scan them, don't forget to look around. Animations can be anywhere.
So my goal isn't to show you every single room or exhibit they have here, because then there would be no reason for you to check it out.
All of this is recycled plastic that the artist found to create these glaciers. These are beanbags if you want to sit on them. And these iPads, you'll see them a lot through our exhibits. What you want to do is to move it to what you want. You can do this and it'll automatically do that to each of the iPads. To choose something, you're just going to hold your finger down. And to activate it, each one of these iPads has to have your finger holding down, because that represents that we have to work together. Right here, you'll see what is currently playing and a countdown. So Rising is currently up on our LED screen. I already activated this iPad, and I will go to each of them and activate them for you, and then you'll see a new one up on the top here.
In the time it took you to enter this room, 2 garbage trucks worth of plastic were dumped into our oceans.
This cavern is made up of 60,000 plastic bags that we consume in less than 2 milliseconds.
The bags you bring your groceries home in are likely floating in the ocean, along with the 30 million tons of plastic Americans discard yearly.
So this is our overfishing room. It just talks about bottom trawling and how much we overfish. And each of the lumps that you'll see in these nets represent all the animals that get caught in it. We do have a chair here if you want to take any pictures in it. It does have a selfie light in it.
I'm trapped!
Is there a weight limit?
I don't think so. Just more than
Guess we'll find
2
out.
people.
This is our scent room. The hive is made from pages from books from a library that had closed down, so we rescued them. Behind each nose, we have scents of things that are heavily pollinated in nature. I can show you how it works.
Sure.
So each scent is going to be labeled. All you have to do is lift it up, get a whiff. They're all different. Some are pretty intense.
Awesome, thank you. That one smelled really good, but Ted wants me to smell another one. I'm thinking it probably smells like poo-poo. That honeycomb was really sweet. I mean, super sweet. Wow. A couple of times I had problems scanning the codes, so the Explorer said just restart the app, and that seemed to have fixed it. This area is called Eye to Eye, and what you do is you put on VR goggles. They do have masks that you can put on if you don't want to, get cooties on your face. There's a king cobra gonna strike. Lizards of the Galapagos rainforest. That was really cool. Well, that's it for Arcadia Earth. We were in here for over an hour, and definitely kind of like a mega mart. You could spend hours here if you really sit through everything. Do I recommend this place? I do. It's very educational. It is all about climate change.
That was cool. A lot of cool information, and it was neat how they put it together, especially the smells. It's not like maybe not for children, they probably won't get it, but like young adults and adults. Pretty cool.
I've really enjoyed it. Make sure you speak with the explorers. Some places call them docents or tour guides, but talk to the explorers. They're really knowledgeable. Now let's talk about the ticket prices. Let's get out of here. For tickets, there's general admission, that's peak hours and off-peak. Off-peak is from when they open until about 4:45, because they do their admission in 15-minute time slots, so they can queue from open until 4:45. It is $33 and then a $4 processing fee, so my ticket total was $37. They do offer discounts for seniors, active military, students, and children over the age of 4. That's $27, but again, there's a $4 processing fee. Children under 4 are free with an accompanying paid adult. And then for peak hours, it's $39 for general admission plus the $4, so that's $43. And then with the discount, I think that starts at $33, so you end up paying $37. What I'll do is, because it's so confusing since they just kind of opened, I'm going to put links down below in the description. So that will do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do me a favor and leave a comment down below if you plan to check out Arcadia Earth. Give this video a like. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below and ring the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, buddy. It was good seeing you.
Good seeing you too.
Let's do something soon.
Sure. Valentine's around the corner. We should go on a hot date.